Arrived at the Unclaimed baggage center, ready to go in and do some shopping as soon as they open. Wow, this place is amazing. Music's playing pretty loud, and somebody said you're not supposed to record in here.
Oh, really?
So now we're at getting a latte. So far, they have laptops, but laptops, we can buy them cheaper at home. What else did we get, Sam? Power banks. A lot of electronic accessories, cameras, game units. The game units, they go through them and they come complete with everything. So needless to say, I'm coming back with the game unit. The clothes, they have some brand new clothes with tags that, I don't know the prices on some of this. Like I saw a Columbia light jacket, brand new with tags for $60. I'm not sure if that's good or not. Tons of shoes, and I mean hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pairs of shoes down there, and they don't look bad at all. And the prices are all over the place. So I just made a purchase, and now I'm looking for San, and guess where I found her? So I had to walk the whole store, and guess where I found her? Of course, in the jewelry counter.
Where'd you get that out of? A 25-cent bubblegum machine?
No.
It's like a little toy. So what happened with the box?
They had a party last time, and they're having. We have one this time.
The store is amazing. It is very, very big. Very cool. Okay, so now we're gonna go next door to the other building, the annex, and see what we can find there. They must have 500 pairs of shoes down there. This is very cool. So evidently somebody was on the Paul McCartney tour and lost his luggage. So there's the men's and more. We're in the men's and more, 3 levels. This is the last section, all the last chance stuff. We're going to see what we can find in here. So we're all done. How long did we spend? 3 hours? 3 hours in there. It was crazy. We went to the extra annex building where there's all men's clothes on the first level. Then you go down to what they consider the second floor. And it's more men's stuff, and then you go down to a little room that's a little lower, and then that's all last chance. The prices were okay on some stuff. Some of the clothes were very expensive. They had some vintage t-shirts that were $8. What else, Sam, did you see?
Jewelry.
Jewelry, how was the jewelry priced?
Very good.
All right, so Sandy says the jewelry was priced very good. The smartphones, the Apple, were up there in price, but then they were 20% off. The Apple MacBooks were up there in price, but then those were 15% off, which brought them down pretty reasonable. They had a lot of smartphones. We got in, we were probably the 5th people in there. The store was beautiful. It was nice and clean. It was quiet. 3 hours later, it's a madhouse. You can't get in the parking lot. The place looks like it was in a hurricane. There's stuff everywhere now. People are buying 3 laptops at a time, 3 smartphones, video games. They didn't have that much video games. And of course, knowing that it's unclaimed baggage, they had no cases on the video games, and a ton of DVDs, no cases at all. And some of the DVDs in no cases, but they put them in a clear plastic, were $2. So that's it. I mean, it was a little different than when we came here 15 years ago. It was just a road trip for us, just a little chance to get away. So that's it. That's the Unclaimed Baggage Store. And now we're going to finish the rest of our little adventure. Bye-bye.